So good morning, chemistry second year, English medium, unit is organic compounds containing carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Topic is phenols. Okay, topic is phenols. Yes. So here is a phenol. The simplest hydroxy derivative of benzene is a phenol. The simplest hydroxy derivative of a benzene is phenol. So this is the structure. Okay, this is the hydroxy derivative of a benzene. Then yes, its common name is phenol. Yes, IUPAC also accepted phenol is also common name of a phenol is also considered as IUPAC name. Okay, IUPAC name and a common name is same. Okay, this is accepted by IUPAC. Then let's see the nomenclature, the substituted phenols here. Then yes, here is a arthrocresol. This is a common name. Then is a 1,2 compounds are called. Here is a arthro. 1,3 is meta position. So 1,4 is para position. Okay, 1,4 is a para. Then with respect to this is considered as hydroxyl group is considered as a functional group. Then this is considered as substituent. Okay, with respect to is a hydroxy group, this is a second position. Okay, then here is a 2-methyl phenol. So this is IUPAC name. Is a common name is arthrocresol. Then another substituted phenol is metacresol or 3-methyl. With respect to hydroxy group, this is the third position, 3-methyl phenol. Then this is another substituted phenol, paracresol, is a 4-methyl phenol. So with respect to hydroxy group, the methyl group is a fourth position. That's why is a 1,4 position is called as para. Then is a 4-methyl phenol. So this is about a nomenclature of various substituted phenols. Then next one, let's see the structure of a functional group. Structure of functional group. How the functional group. How the functional group structure? Let's see. Then so when you observe the structure of phenol, so C6H5, so benzene nucleus ring, benzene nucleus, and it is having the hydroxyl group. Then yes, here is the bond angle is 109 degrees. Then next one is in between, here is a carbon of aromatic ring and oxygen is a 136 picometers. Okay, then so when you take the here is a methyl alcohol, methanol, then what happens is the carbon and oxygen, the bond length is here is a 142 picometers. Okay, this is a 142 picometers. When compare with here is a methanol, the bond length between carbon and oxygen is here is a somewhat less. Reason is what? Here is the unshared electron pair. The unshared electron pair of oxygen is resonance with the here is a aromatic carbon. Okay, aromatic carbon. The unshared electron pair. The unshared electron pair of oxygen is resonate with the here is a aromatic carbon. So due to this reason, in between carbon and oxygen, here is a double bond behavior is there. Double bond behavior is there. That's why the bond length is less when compared with carbon and oxygen in methanol. Okay, in methanol the bond length between carbon and oxygen is 142 picometers, whereas in phenol 136. Reason is double bond behavior between carbon and oxygen in phenol. Then another reason is also here. Here is the sp2 carbon is a aromatic carbon. Okay, aromatic carbon. The sp2 aromatic carbon with it is connected with here is a oxygen. Okay, oxygen. That's why yes, the bond length can be decreased. Okay, these two reasons influence the bond length between carbon and oxygen in phenol. Then yes, a phenol is also known as carbolic acid. Carbolic acid because it was extracted. It was extracted at first from coal tar. coal tar. That's why it is called as here is a carbolic acid. Then so let's see the preparation methods. Preparation methods. Here is a commercial preparation methods of phenols. Let's see. Then yes, here is a from haloarenes. Okay, from haloarenes. Here is a arenes. Here is a this is a aromatic ring. Is a chlorobenzene here. Okay, chlorobenzene. When chlorobenzene is fused with a sodium hydroxide. When chlorobenzene is fused with a sodium hydroxide at a higher temperature, that is a 623 kelvins. 623 kelvins and higher pressure 300 atmosphere pressure, then what happens is then here is a sodium phenoxide is formed. Okay, sodium phenoxide is formed. Then this was treated with a dilute HCl or acidified with HCl. Sodium phenoxide is acidified with HCl. As a result of that, here is a phenol is formed. Okay, phenol is a from haloarenes. Chlorobenzene is fused with a sodium hydroxide, then sodium phenoxide is formed. This sodium phenoxide is acidified with HCl and a phenol is formed. This is one of the commercial methods. Then next one is from benzene sulfonic acid. Benzene sulfonic acid. Yes, here is a first of all, so we have to prepare the benzene sulfonic acid from benzene. Okay, so this is a benzene. When benzene is treated with oleum, H2S2O7. Okay, H2S2O7 oleum, then simply here is a sulfonation takes place on benzene nucleus. Electrophilic, then there is a substitution takes place, then sulfonic acid, benzene sulfonic acid is formed. This benzene sulfonic acid is treated with a molten sodium hydroxide solution. Molten sodium hydroxide. Simply sodium hydroxide is not diluted with water. Okay, simply sodium hydroxide is directly heated, then it is converted into here is a liquefied sodium hydroxide, that is called as here is a molten sodium hydroxide. This molten sodium hydroxide and here is what sulfonic acid, benzene sulfonic acid is treated with molten sodium hydroxide and subjected to heating, followed by acid hydrolysis. Simply then the phenol is formed. Okay, phenol is formed from benzene sulfonic acid. When it is treated with a molten sodium hydroxide followed by acid hydrolysis. Okay, this is the another method. Next one is from diazonium salts. Yes, here is a diazotization reaction is involved in this method. Then for diazotization process, here is a aromatic primary amines. For diazotization process, primary aromatic primary amines. Aromatic primary amine, that is here is we are taking here is aniline. So this is aromatic primary amine. This aromatic primary amine is treated with here is a nitrous acid, HNO2. Nitrous acid, then yes, here is a HNO2, it is a very unstable component, then it is not at all available in the laboratory. Then in order to prepare, here is a HNO2 nitrous acid, it is a sodium nitrite, NaNO2. Sodium nitrite is mixed with the HCl, then HNO2 is formed. Okay, this HNO2, then next one, here is a temperature condition is also very important, that is a 273 to 278 Kelvin, that is 0 to 5 degree centigrade temperature we have to maintain. Then yes, here is a NaNO2 plus HCl, then it is added to the here is a aniline. Then here is what happens, here is a diazotization takes place, then is a benzene diazonium salt, benzene diazonium chloride is formed, then yes, this benzene so benzene diazonium chloride is treated with here is what simply here is a water, here is a warming water or acid hydrolysis. Then yes, what happens, here is a phenol is formed. Okay, so diazonium salts, here is a aniline, aromatic primary amine is treated with a NaNO2 plus HCl mixture. Okay, because of here is a HNO2 is formed, then yes, here is a benzene diazonium chloride salt is formed. This benzene diazonium chloride is subjected to acid hydrolysis, or simply it is heated in water, then here is a phenol is formed. Phenol is formed. This is the from diazonium salts. Then last method is from cumene. Okay, cumene, here is a cumene, it is a hydrocarbon, aromatic hydrocarbon, that is what isopropyl benzene. Okay, isopropyl benzene is called as a cumene. Isopropyl benzene is called as, here is a cumene. So this cumene is treated with the air, then what happens, here is a air consists of, here is a oxygen, then yes, isopropyl benzene is oxidized when it is treated with the air. Then what happens is cumene hydroperoxide is formed. Okay, cumene hydroperoxide, then so cumene hydroperoxide is formed, peroxy bond, cumene hydroperoxide is formed. This cumene hydroperoxide is subjected to acid hydrolysis, then phenol is formed, then the byproduct is acetone. Here is the byproduct acetone is formed as excess amount, large amount. Okay, then is it is also, here is a commercial preparation method. Then for acetone also, here is a from in general, here is a in order to synthesize the here is a phenol, yes, this is used as commercial method. Okay, from cumene simply is a isopropyl benzene is treated with the air, then the air consists of, here is a oxygen, then here is a cumene is oxidized as cumene hydroperoxide. This cumene hydroperoxide subjected to acid hydrolysis, phenol and acetone is formed. Acetone is also formed as, here is a excess amount. Okay, so these are the commercial preparation methods. Okay, it's a commercial or industrial methods. Yes, from haloarenes, then from benzene, sulfonic acid, then next one is here is a benzene, here is a diazonium salts, next one is cumene. Okay, these are the preparation methods of here is a phenol. Okay.